This is a video about PolyUIC training. I'm Vincent Poon Chung, student of CEM in City University of Hong Kong. Day 1, Structural Steel. In structural steel training, we have to cut structural steel into designated dimension as we have assigned to prepare a steel chair, so that we should work together to make a steel chair, to drilling hole, cutting, using bolts to connect them, and also welding. For welding, here has the die penetration test step up, and finally we got the chairs complete. Day 2, Formwork. Here is a formwork model. This is a plastic formwork model. There is various of formwork model to show us, and we are assigned to do a I-section formwork, and we need to work together and cut the plywood into designed diameter. And here is the kicker to hold the form, and this is our work. This is a top view, and finally we got our formwork completed. Day 4, Scaffolding. In scaffolding training, we are assigned to construct a working platform and falsework. Started to work. This is a leveling ruler, and we have to work in high place so that we have to wear the safety belt and connect it to individual safety rope. And we concentrate our work and cooperate with our partners to complete the work. We are tired to do that, so that we sit down to have work. And here is the photos of our groupmates, and here is our work. Thank you, our groupmate. Day 4 to 5, Structural Concrete. We have to mix a concrete, and this is the concrete mixer. But unluckily, the barrel was broken, so that we have to use a smaller concrete mixer. After mix the concrete, we have to conduct the slump test, and we started to fill the concrete and using the vibrating rod to assure the distribution good. And here is the top view of the concrete formwork, and this is the vibrating rod. And we this formwork, and we can conduct a 1-day hardening concrete. There is many voids enriched in water, and there's also has some void because it's only 1 day and the vibrating is not enough. And this is the compression testing machine, and this is the product after the test. After that, we have to broken our concrete to disposal. After that, we using the cutting machine to cut the structural steel to our desired length. After that, we're using the bending machine to bend it into a rectangular shape, but I think this is not perfect. And this is the bending machine driven by electricity. After that, we tie together the steel with wire, and we have to put the reinforcement into a beam formwork. And this is day 6 brickwork and plastering. Here is the sample of the tile, and this is the different bonding of brickwork. We have to try it out to do some brickwork, and we have to using the leveling ruler to assume all the bricks are in the same level. And we need to fill in the gap with cement mortar. After that, we tried out plastering to smoothing the wall. After that, we started to try tiling work and mosaic tiling. And this is trying the floor tiling with mosaic tile. This is different brick, and this is the cutting machine of brick. Day 7. NDT and anchoring. This is half cell potential test setup. The head of the half cell must be moistening to do the test. And this is the apparatus of infrared thermographic survey. And this is after the sunshine. This is rebound hammer test setup. The hammer is heavy to use it, as I have to use all my effort. This is cover meter inspection. This is the anchoring concrete wall. We have to drill hole to put the anchor inside, and using the setting tool to anchor it. And this is the value of the anchor. There is some crack if the anchor is put too close together. And this is adhesion anchoring. And this is the apparatus to recheck the. I gain experience in this training and also team spirit. Thank you very much. Day 7. NDT and anchoring. This is half cell potential test setup. The head of the half cell must be moistening to do the test. And this is the apparatus of infrared thermographic survey. And this is after the sunshine. This is rebound hammer test setup. The hammer is heavy to use it, as I have to use all my effort. This is cover meter inspection. This is the anchoring concrete wall. We have to drill hole to put the anchor inside, and using the setting tool to anchor it. And this is the value of the anchor. There is some crack if the anchor is put too close together. And this is adhesion anchoring. And this is the apparatus to recheck